Hello and welcome to today's video on how you can start your own consulting business. So in this video, we will discuss about the key elements of building a successful consulting business, including defining your niche, setting up your business, finding clients, and providing service. So firstly, you need to define your niche. For this, you need to identify your skills, your expertise, or your experience and background. Determine what problems you can solve for your potential clients. And then you can also research the market and the competition within your niche. And later on, you can develop a clear value proposition and a brand message which will set you apart. The second thing that you need to do is setting up your business. So let's see what we can do. So firstly, you got to choose a business name and you have to register your business. And then you can build up a website, create all the social media pages and all other marketing channels. You need to be very clear about the pricing and the billing structure. And lastly, the most important part is that you have to develop a business plan, where you guys have to plan on how you can grow and expand the business. So the third thing and the most important thing that you have to follow while building a consulting business is that you need to know how to find clients. So to find clients, you got to leverage all the connections and personal networks that you have. So you can attend networking events or industrial conference where you can pitch about your services to other business owners. You can also utilize the social media platform, most importantly LinkedIn, in order to approach your potential clients. So once you have a client, it is very important for you to build a referral program. So you can ask your existing client to help you provide a new referral for your business. So the fourth most important part of a consulting business is how you deliver the service. So in order to deliver value to your clients, you need to know about their requirements. After knowing the requirements, you have to build a tailor-made solution only for them to grow. So during this process, you have to communicate effectively with your clients during the entire process. So you got to provide actionable insights and recommendations to help them grow. You have to continuously improve and evaluate your services in order to make your clients happy. So you also have to have a solid business infrastructure, a proactive approach on finding clients, and a commitment to deliver value. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.